How to add a page in Squarespace. In order to do that, head over right here to your pages. And then in here, you can see this. So in order to go to your pages, you just need to head over right here to your website and then access it from there. Now from there, you can see main navigation as well as not link mention. So we have in here this. So what you can do is you can also just drag it in order to add it onto your main navigation. Now if you want to add a new page, just click on this plus icon right here. And then from in there, you can start with a blank page or you can use a page layout. Now you can also see here some collections like blog, store, portfolio, and a lot more. For this one, I'll just choose the blog option. And then from in there, it will show you some templates that you can choose from. So for example, for mine, I will choose this one. Now for that, this will load for a little while. And as you can see, blog has been added. You can just rename that whatever you want. And then once it's been saved, you can just see it already added right here. So that's how you add a page in Squarespace. Hope we helped.